tea is the fastest way to lower creatinine and repair your kidney. Have you ever wondered what the fastest way to lower your creatinine levels and heal your kidneys is? If you're looking for answers, you're not alone. 1 in 3 adult Americans is at risk for renal disease, according to the National Renal Foundation. This alarming statistic is more than just a number. It's a wake-up call. Understanding how to lower creatinine and improve kidney health naturally is essential, and that's precisely what we'll explore in this guide. Moringa tea. The first tea on our list is moringa tea, packed with incredible benefits. For those dealing with chronic kidney disease, CKD, this tea can be a game changer. But what exactly is moringa tea, and why is it so special? Moringa, scientifically known as Moringa oleifera, is a plant native to India that grows in Asia, Africa, and South America. Recently, it has gained popularity, and you can easily find moringa in most herbal shops or online. Moringa is especially intriguing for CKD patients because of its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Compounds like flavonoids, phenolic acids, and isothiocyanates help reduce chronic inflammation, which can contribute to kidney damage. Moreover, moringa is known for its ability to lower blood pressure, adding another fantastic benefit. Many people wonder why not just take moringa supplements. While that's an option, drinking moringa tea has its perks. The tea is rich in antioxidants crucial for improving kidney function. Brewing the tea makes these antioxidants more bioavailable, meaning your body can absorb and use them more effectively. Pro tip: to enhance the benefits of moringa tea, add a sprinkle of black pepper and a little amount of healthy fat, such as coconut oil. This simple addition can boost the antioxidants' bioavailability, turning your tea into a true elixir. Dandelion tea. Our second recommendation is dandelion leaf and root tea, which is perfect for lowering creatinine and fighting fluid retention by boosting urinary output. Scientifically known as Taraxacum officinale, dandelion might be seen as a common weed, but it has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Dandelion tea contains chicory and chlorogenic acids, 2 potent compounds that help regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, it is rich in antioxidants, making it an excellent choice for those looking to improve their kidney health. Dandelion tea also acts as a detoxifier and diuretic, helping lower blood pressure by removing excess sodium. However, it's important to note that while dandelion tea helps reduce sodium, it also contains potassium. So if your potassium levels are already high, consider another option: ginger turmeric tea. Ginger and turmeric tea combines the best of both worlds, making it a remarkable beverage for those with CKD. This tea combines 2 potent spices known for their kidney-friendly properties. Ginger is a powerhouse spice that helps manage diabetes, acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, aids in fluid retention, and may even lower blood pressure slightly. Conversely, turmeric contains curcumin, a compound that fights inflammation similarly to anti-inflammatory medications, but without the side effects. Curcumin has also shown promise in reducing proteinuria levels in CKD patients, making this tea an excellent daily addition for anyone struggling with chronic inflammation. Pro tip: to maximize the absorption of curcumin, always add a pinch of black pepper to your tea. Black pepper's piperine increases curcumin's absorption, so you get the most out of this powerful combination. Peppermint tea. Peppermint tea looks and tastes great and provides numerous health benefits. The essential oils in peppermint leaves, such as menthol and menthone, offer kidney-protecting benefits. This tea is not just a gentle diuretic, it also has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Because it can decrease glucose absorption and increase insulin sensitivity, people with diabetes may benefit from it. The main benefit of peppermint tea is its effectiveness against bacterial infections, particularly urinary tract infections, UTIs. With its diuretic and antibacterial properties, peppermint tea can be an excellent option for those battling UTIs. For the best results, buy honest peppermint tea, not peppermint-flavored green tea. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea is a fantastic option for individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD. This bright, red herbal tea isn't just eye-catching, it's also packed with antioxidants that can help improve overall health. Available in easy-to-use tea bags at most supermarkets, hibiscus tea has gained popularity for its pleasant taste and notable health benefits. One of its most significant advantages is its ability to help manage high blood pressure, a frequent issue for those suffering from kidney problems. High blood pressure can place added stress on the kidneys, often leading to a dependency on medications like diuretics, ACE inhibitors, and ARBs. However, incorporating hibiscus tea into your daily routine offers a natural alternative. Regularly using this tea might lessen the strain on the kidneys by lowering blood pressure. With less strain on these vital organs, they can function more effectively, improving CKD patients' health outcomes. Moreover, hibiscus tea's ability to help regulate blood pressure can indirectly lead to lower creatinine levels. Since high creatinine is a common concern for those with kidney disease, finding ways to manage it naturally can be beneficial. Unlike some medications that might have side effects, hibiscus tea provides a gentle, herbal approach without requiring multiple prescriptions. Another reason hibiscus tea stands out is its versatility. It can be enjoyed hot or cold, making it a refreshing drink any time of the year. This herbal tea offers an easy, effective solution for those looking to manage their kidney health naturally. Plus, it's a delicious way to add more antioxidants to your diet, further promoting well-being. Green tea antioxidant-rich green tea is a fantastic complement to any morning ritual. Packed with polyphenols, particularly catechins, it's renowned for its health benefits, especially for diabetes patients. The antioxidants in green tea significantly protect the body against cell damage and inflammation, offering a natural boost to overall health. One of green tea's standout benefits is its impact on heart health. The catechins help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels, vital to maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. This means fewer risks of heart disease, which is especially crucial for people with diabetes who are at a higher risk for such conditions. Green tea also supports kidney health, as the antioxidants help minimize the oxidative stress contributing to kidney damage. For those aiming for weight loss, it's a fantastic addition, as it boosts metabolism and promotes fat burning, helping manage weight in a healthy, sustainable way. Another valuable benefit is green tea's effect on blood sugar. Studies suggest that green tea can improve fasting glucose levels, offering natural support for those aiming to maintain steady blood sugar control. Decaffeinated green tea provides the same health benefits for those looking to avoid caffeine. To enhance its potency, try adding a splash of lemon juice. The vitamin C in lemon increases the availability of antioxidants, making them 5 times more absorbable. Green tea genuinely lives up to its reputation as a wellness need with its many uses and fantastic health benefits. Garlic and ginger tea. Garlic and ginger tea may require a little extra preparation, but it's packed with benefits that make it worthwhile. Known for their medicinal properties, garlic and ginger combine to create a tea that supports kidney health, lowers blood pressure, and even helps manage diabetes. This isn't your everyday tea. It's a powerhouse blend designed to keep your kidneys functioning optimally. Garlic's compounds, which are frequently praised as natural medicines, can help control blood sugar and decrease blood pressure. Studies have shown that garlic's sulfur-containing compounds act similarly to certain medications to manage hypertension without side effects. This is a game changer for those concerned with kidney health, as kidney function is closely linked to blood pressure and diabetes management. Adding ginger to the mix further boosts the tea's benefits. Garlic's compounds, which are frequently praised as natural medicines, can help control blood sugar and decrease blood pressure. It also helps reduce inflammation, protecting the kidneys from unnecessary strain and damage over time. To create this tea, take a tiny piece of ginger and 2 to 4 fresh garlic cloves. Crush the garlic slightly to release its oils, and bring the garlic and ginger to a boil in water for about 10 minutes. The result is a warming, nutrient-rich beverage that's as therapeutic as flavorful. Regularly drinking this tea can be a natural, gentle way to support kidney health and overall wellness. Small changes, big results. Taking care of your kidneys doesn't have to be a daunting task. You can make a significant difference in your health with simple, natural remedies like these teas. Including these teas in your regular regimen can substantially benefit you if you want to lower your creatinine levels or support your kidneys. Imagine waking up feeling more energized, your blood pressure stable, and peace of mind knowing you're taking steps to protect your kidneys. By incorporating these teas into your lifestyle, you're not just drinking a beverage, but choosing a healthier, happier future. So, why wait? Head to your nearest supermarket or online store and start brewing your way to better kidney health today. And there you have it, an easy, natural way to support your kidneys and lower creatinine levels. Packed with powerful nutrients, a simple cup of tea can do wonders for your health. Remember, minor changes lead to significant results. Do like and share the video. For more health solutions videos, click the subscribe button on our channel.